My name is Dr. Wall Albert, Medical Officer at Kairos Medical Center at Kairos Hospital. Today we want to talk about the best feeds or food in pregnancy. A pregnant woman requires a balanced diet. What makes up a balanced diet? Balanced diet is that kind of diet which has all the nutrients that somebody requires at a given go. The nutrients that we are talking about for a pregnant mother would be what we call the minerals. We have the carbohydrates, we have the proteins, and we also have a little bit of the fats, though not so much. When we talk about minerals we get them mainly from fruits and vegetables. For a pregnant woman, eating green vegetables would be a good option, because the green vegetables like the spinach, like the sukuma wiki, the peas leaves, that is the gobe, that as you call it, and some bit of the nakati can be very good, in that these green vegetables have vitamins that we call vitamin B, and we have also vitamin C. We also have iron from the green vegetables. All these are important, one, to raise the mother's energy levels, because they're involved in a lot of chemical reactions in the body, but the iron is directly involved in formation of red blood cells that the mother needs during pregnancy. We also have what we call proteins. Proteins, where do you get proteins? From lean meat. I'm saying lean because you don't want the fat. Chicken, you can also get from fish, and any other animal product. The proteins are required for the baby's growth and also for the integrity of the mother's health, but mainly it's going to benefit the baby as they develop, because proteins make up most of our mass. Then we have what we call carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are basically going to give the mother energy, and also the baby needs glucose or sugar, which also comes from the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates we are talking about, we shall get them from the whole grains, that is things like whole grain of maize, or maize that is not polished. The reason I'm saying whole grain, because there's a problem when you eat refined food, very maybe overly polished, for sure you end up with constipation and other sort of problems. At the end the mother has hemorrhoids. So let's stick to whole grains. We can do the millet porridge, we can do potatoes, and we can also do the rice, but we basically prefer the posho, which is whole grain, and the millet, which is whole grain. But other foods, the matokes can also come, but not as much as they are. They're not as much carbohydrates you get from it as you compare to the others that I spoke about earlier. Now, in pregnancy, we advise against these foods, eating a lot of sweets, and also eating a lot of fats. The fats that we are talking about, if it is milk, there's a tendency for people to take a lot of milk, and yet the milk has fat. The excessive fat will cause, one, unnecessary weight gain without necessarily showing that the person is having a healthy baby or a healthy pregnancy. But then also the fat deposition on the vital organs is not going to be good, because the mother will feel tired, maybe because the heart is not able to relax and contract because she has been affected with fat, and other problems like pressure, and also there can be a trigger of the diabetes in pregnancy, what we call gestational diabetes. It may not be directly linked to the sugars, but yes, you want to avoid sugars. With that, I believe when you do all what is required of a balanced diet, your pregnancy should go on smoothly. Of course, keeping other factors constant, but concerning nutrition, I think that will be okay for you. Thank you. See you at Kairos Medical Center and Kairos Hospital.